Hi, I'm Albert, and today I'll be doing a preview of the Android subsystem for Windows on Windows 11. And ever since I played my first smartphone game, I've always been also using emulators to play on Windows. And now with Windows 11, it supports Android apps natively without needing an emulator. So let me show you a quick preview of what's possible right now. Things like how to install the Android app, as well as my favorite roguelike game, and I'll show you what it's like to transform a smartphone game into a 4K gaming experience. So first, I'm going to show you how to install the Android subsystem for Windows. So you'll need to go to your Windows 11 settings, change this region to US first. After that, you go to the App Store and you download the Android Amazon App Store, which is currently in the preview mode. Don't worry, you can download it after you set to location um, to the US. Then after that, you will be able to change it back to Singapore and you'll still work. Because what this does is to actually get you the this one, the Windows Subsystem for Android. And once this is installed on your system, then you'll be able to install Android apps on your own. So you will need to go to this website, developerandroid.com, studio releases and the platform tools. And with the platform tools, you download this for Windows SDK, and with that, you unzip it, and in here, you run the terminal. So over here, you can run, open a Windows terminal. So in Windows Terminal, you are over here, you need to run this command, the ADB, and under ADB you connect to your IP address, and this IP address is in just now the Windows 4. The IP address is here. It will change every time you reboot your computer. So all you have to do is copy it, and then you can paste it here. So once you do that, you'll be able to then download your APK files and then set a path to install it. For example, here, yeah. So you do this command, and then you'll be able to install the APK that you downloaded online, and that will then give you Android apps that's running native to your Windows 11. So let me close this and show you. Okay. Okay, so over here, this is the native Android app I have on the Windows. So this is no different from a standard Windows app. So when I open it, for example, you can see that the game will then just run on the computer. So okay, so the next part of this video, I'm going to show you a quick run through in the game. You can actually look through to see what the performance is like, and you will see that actually there's much less overhead than if you use BlueStacks. In BlueStacks, everything is noticeably laggy, but in the subsystem for Windows, the Android subsystem for Windows, I find it more responsive. It doesn't feel so laggy. Yeah. So that's the end of the preview. It's a quick gameplay video with my instructions on how to install this on your own if you are using Windows 11. And I hope to bring you more interesting things in the future. Bye bye.